Hello. Hello, hello. Good evening. Good evening. Oh, wow. Hello. Hello, hello,
Hello,
Moon.
teacher đi. Hello, teacher.
Hello. Nice to see you again, Moon. Wow. How are you today, Moon? Are you happy today? Yes.
Nắng
How
hơi
are
xéo quá.
how are how are you today?
Vâng.
Thế thì tôi cho
Oh,
mẹ là
can you hear
sao
teacher?
I can hear.
Yeah, I can
Okay.
hear.
Okay. So how are you today, Moon? So are you happy today?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, that's
Happy.
good to know. Yes. Wow. And yeah, so cute. And did you already eat? Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Wow. What did you eat for dinner? What did you eat? Did you eat rice?
And
I read
meat.
and meat.
Oh, wow. That's very good. And are you ready for our new lesson today? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So for our lesson for today, so let us start our lesson. So for our lesson, it is all about rain,
Animal.
yes, rainforest
Animal.
animals. Very good. Okay, let's say this word. Let's say
I can
rainforest.
add the zoo.
Huh? Animals? Yes, very good. You can see animals at the zoo. But in our lesson for today, so these are animals. These are animals that we can see in the rainforest. Okay, so these are rainforest animals. Okay, so let's take a look at this animal. Do you know what animal is this? Do you know what animal? It's a what animal is in the picture? It's
It's
a
a monkey. Monkey.
very good. It's a
Monkey.
monkey. Good job. So a monkey is one of the rainforest animal. So they live in the rain, the rain.
Rabbit.
Rainfall.
They live in the
Rabbit.
rainforest. Very good. One more time. Let's say rainforest. Let's say
Lại một câu.
rain.
Green for red.
Yes, perfect job. So that
Này đi.
is for our lesson for today. So now let's look and learn some new animals about the rainforest. Okay, let's take a look at this picture. So what do we call this place? We call it as
Red
rain
for
rainforest. Very good. One more time. Let's say
red forest.
rainforest. Wow, perfect. So this is the rainforest. So we can see in the picture there are a lot of rainforest animal. And now so we will learn more about them. Let's start with this animal. What animal is this?
Nay.
Yes,
It,
we're
it,
very good. So the snakes goes like
it,
this or like
it,
okay, very good. It's a
it,
snake. Okay, next. What animal is this? What animal?
monkey.
It's a monkey. Very good. Okay, let's say it's a monkey.
Key.
Okay, next animal. Do you know what animal is this? Hmm.
Tiger.
It's is it
It
a
tiger.
is it a tiger or a leopard? Tiger or leopard? It
Leopard.
is a leopard.
Leopard.
Very good.
Không em
So
à? Không của
yes,
em à?
so a leopard is a kind of cat. So it is or it looks like a cat. So like just like the tiger. So a tiger, so it is also a kind of cat. So they look alike. That's why they look alike with tiger. But this one is a leopard. So next. Wow. Wow.
Butterfly.
Yes, very good. This is a butterfly. Good job. So next, let's take a look with our next animal. What animal is this? Is it a bird? Is it a bird? Yes or no? It's a
Yes.
yes, it's a bird. What kind of bird? Do you know what is the name of this bird? Starts with letter P. Next is A. Pa.
Parrot.
Is it-
Parrot.
Yes, very good. So
Parrot.
it's
Parrot.
a parrot. Good job. So it's a kind of bird.
Not bird. Parrot.
It it's a colorful bird and it can talk. So parrots can talk. Yes. So they can also sing. O-
Butterfly. Butterfly.
Okay, next. It's a
Frog.
frog. Yes.
White. 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 White.
What is the sound of the frog? It's
White.
quack,
White.
quack,
White.
quack.
White.
Ribbit.
I know. I know.
Okay, next. How
No.
about a
I
very
know.
good. How about this next animal? What is the name of this animal? Do you know
Ladybug.
what animal? Is it a is it
Beetle.
a yes, very
Beetle.
good. Very good. It's a beetle.
I know.
Wow, good job. So now let's learn more about of this rainforest animal. So let's learn about what kind okay, so let's learn more about what kind of animals are they. So let's go with this one. What animal is this again? Moon? It's a
It's a
it's a leopard.
leopard.
Yes, so the cat was indicated here because leopard, it is a big cat. Yes, so it is a big cat and they can climb trees like in the picture. So this cat or this leopard, where is the leopard? It's
It's in the
in the what where is it? It's in the trees.
trees.
Yeah, so it's in the trees because these animal they can climb trees.
They can
Yes, they can climb trees and they are also strong and fast. They are so fast. Okay, now what is the color of these animal? Moon. What's the color? Its color. Hmm.
have
What's the color of this animal? Its color? Hmm.
it um, black and yellow and white.
Very good. Black and yellow and white. Good job. So it has a spots on its fur. So this is what a leopard looks like. Okay, next. Let's go with our next animal. What is this?
Monkey. Monkey.
It's the
Monkey.
yes, very good. One more time. Can you read the whole sentence? It's the what animal is this? It's
Is
the
the monkey.
mo- yes, perfect job. How about this one, Moon? Can you see this one? Okay, that's
Monkey.
this one is a monkey. Very good. What color is my monkey? What color? Chinny.
Red.
Yes, very
Red.
good. How about this one? What animal is this?
Monkey.
Yes, very good. And what is the color of this monkey? Its
It's
color?
brown and white.
Very good.
I like
Good
the
job.
yellow.
Oh, you like this one? You don't like this one? What do you like the most? Do you like this or this monkey? What do you like? This one or this one? This?
Other one.
This one? Oh, this
This one.
one. You like this one? Wow. So this monkey, so it looks like the one in the picture because they have the same color. Okay, so when we say monkey, it is a playful animal. So they like to play and they like to eat fruits. Do you know what fruit does the monkey eats? What fruit does the monkey eat? Starts with letter B. What fruit? It's
Fruit.
banana.
Banana.
Yes, yes, very good. So they like to eat banana.
Banana.
Good job. So that is the fruit that the monkey likes to eat. So very good. So monkeys, so they also are smart. So they are very, very smart. So when you meet a monkey, so they are very smart and they are very playful. So like the leopard, so the monkey also likes to climb. What is this? This is a tree. So the
Tree.
yes.
Monkey
So the
eating banana and climbing tree.
very good. Good job, monkey. Eats banana and climbs trees. Very good. So next, what animal is this?
I go. I go. I go. The
It's
frog.
it's
I
the
go. I go. I
do, do you like frogs? Do you like frogs? Yes or no?
You like frog?
Do you like? Do you like them? Yes or no? No? I know. No, I don't like. No. Okay, let's
Why?
say no, I don't like.
I don't like.
Yes,
I like
perfect.
blue.
You like? What do you like?
I like
What
burger.
burger? Burger?
Yeah, I like burger.
Burger, this one? This? You like burger?
Yes.
Burger. Wow. Okay. Okay, now, so a frog is a little animal. So they like to jump. So they like to jump. Can you jump? Can
Yes.
you show teacher how you jump? Jump, jump. Jump like a frog. Frog,
I go.
ribbit, ribbit.
Oh,
Okay,
I
so
go.
the
I go.
okay, so the frogs, so they are
I go.
very little animals. So they like to jump and they make a croaking sound. So that is the frog. Now, Moon, can you tell teacher what is the color of the frog in this picture? What's the color of the frog?
Is blue and black.
Very good. It's color blue and black. Good job. So next, let's go with this next animal. Okay, let's go with this next animal.
It's father.
It's the, what animal is this? It's the parrot. Okay,
Parrot.
what? It's the parrot. Perfect job. So now, can you tell teacher, what is the color of the parrot?
Red and yellow and blue and white and black.
Very good. Good job. So it's, okay, one more time. Let's say it in a whole sentence. It's color
Color, color.
red,
Red and yellow and blue and red and
black,
black.
and white. Wow, very good. So this is a parrot. So a parrot, a parrot is a smart.
Because because it is parrot.
Because it's a parrot. So
Because
a,
it's a teacher. I have a thing. The parrot can seeming like scientists can know this. The parrot was can speak like people 200 words
yes, yes,
and many of sentences.
yes, very good, very good. So a parrot, so they can copy what the people can say. So they can say words. So a parrot,
No, they
good
can know
job.
about
Good job.
200 words.
What what are those?
No,
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 can
no.
copy. No, no, no. So a parrot can
No,
copy
but she don't like
words.
accent. No.
Okay, so now, so a parrot, so they can copy words from people. So very good for your older brother. So they can talk and they can also sing. So if the people who owns a parrot, so
Không
they
sợ anh học cái này
teach.
nữa.
Cô muốn nói trật tự nghe cô nói đi con.
Okay, so if the people taught the parrot or teach the parrot how to speak, so they will speak to you. Okay, so I have another student, so they have a parrot. So the parrot can talk. Their parrot can talk like a person. So this animal is a parrot. So we often see them in the,
Parrot.
yes, we often see them in the rain forest. Okay, so very good. So next one. What animal is this? It's the
Yay!
snake. What does the snake sounds like? S- s-
Teacher.
Thằng Điện.
Oh,
I know that there are 150 kind of snake.
they are 100. Oh no,
Wait,
150.
150.
Yes.
Okay, 150 what? It's
No.
okay, Moon. No, okay, no, no.
No, but Minion had a hat.
Yes. Okay, so this is a snake. So a snake is a long animal. So a snake. So
I have
does,
had it both.
yes, wow. So Moon, teacher has a question about the snakes. So has do snakes have legs? Yes or no? Do snakes have legs? Yes or no? Yes or no? Do they have legs like us? Or do they have hands like us? Moon? Yes or no?
No.
It's
No.
no, very good. Good job. So no, they don't have legs because they crawl. They crawl on the ground. So they use their body. So they use their body. So they just like this. They crawl on the ground. So they do not have legs. So very good. So next one. What is the color of this snake? What's the color?
What color is the snake? Blue.
Yes, what's color? What color is the snake? Hmm.
Green.
It's it's
Green.
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 It's green. Very good. How about this one? What is the color of its spots? What's the color of this spots?
Gray.
It's
Gray.
colored gray. Wow, very good. Good job. So next, let's go with our next rainforest animal. Wow, what is this? It's the butterfly. Very good. Do do you like
Butterfly.
do you like butterflies? Yes or no? Do you like them?
Yes.
Yes, I like butterflies. Wow. What what is your favorite color of the butterfly?
It's blue.
Oh, you like blue butterfly? You like blue? You like the blue?
Yeah.
Yes. Wow. So you like blue butterflies.
Art
So
friendly store. The
so,
sun
so
is full
teacher
as
likes the
summer in the
pink
sky.
butterfly. So this is a butterfly. So very good. So when we say butterflies, so they are insects that drinks nectar from flowers. So they like to fly in the flowers. So next, let's go with the next
Mày làm cái
animal. What animal is this? Moon.
thế tại sao em
What
đang nói này phải
animal?
làm
Hmm. Is it a bug? Is it a
có biết
bug?
loại
Yes or no?
Yes.
gốc
Hmm? Is it a bug?
But
It's
it's
the
the
it's a bug?
ladybug.
còn những bạn
Bug
biết
or beetle?
hay là reading
Ladybug.
Are you sure this is a ladybug? Okay, let's compare the picture of a ladybug and the beetle. Let's take a look with the ladybug here.
Picture is black.
Yes.
Ladybug.
Is do they look the same? The ladybug and the beetle? Yes or no? It's
Mm,
it's
it-
a it's a no. So
Mm.
this one is a beetle. So it's not a ladybug. So ladybug usually is color. What color is the ladybug in the picture earlier? It's color red and black. So this one, so the beetle, so this one has, so it's the beetle. And when we see a beetle, it has many colors. So it is not only red and black. So let's take a look at this beetle moon. What color is this beetle?
It's blue and orange.
Very good. It's blue and orange. Good job. So next one. Okay, let's go with our last picture here. What do we call this place?
I see monkey, butterfly, parrot, and
Parrot. What are
snake, and
snake?
frog, and ladybug,
Is it a ladybug or beetle?
and,
It's a beetle.
and Tiger.
Beetle, tiger, or leopard? It's a leopard. Okay, so very good. What do we call
And
this place? Parrot, yes, very good. What do we call this place? Moon. It's the, what is this place? It's the rain forest.
rainfall.
Yes, very good. Let's say it in a whole sentence. So, what is this place, Moon? It's the
Is the
rain.
rain
It's forest. Very good. Ver-
rainforest. Rainforest.
yes, very good. So, this is the home. This is the home or habitat of these animals that you told teacher. So very good. So it's the rainforest. So now let's answer some pictures here. So let's see if you still remember what are those animals. But first, let's read the first word.
Frog.
It frog. Very good. Next word
And
is
monkey.
mm, monkey.
Potato. Parrot.
Okay, very good. Next.
Snake.
Snake. Next.
Bee.
Beetle.
Beetle.
Perfect. Next one. Butterfly. And the last one is rain.
Rainforest.
Rainforest. Wow, very good. So now let's answer some pictures here. So can you tell teacher, what do you call this place? What is the name of this place? It's the
Rainforest.
yes,
Rainforest.
wow, very good. It's the rainforest. So next, let's go with the next animal. What animal is
Snake.
this? It's the
Snake.
very good. It's the snake. Next, how about this one? What animal
Monkey.
is this? It's
Monkey.
the okay. Let's try to say in a whole sentence. Let's say it's the
Monkey.
it's
Monkey. Monkey.
it's it's
Monkey.
let's say the it's
Monkey.
it's
Monkey.
the
Monkey.
okay, next one. What is this?
Is
Hmm.
the
It's the
monkey.
is it
Is a monkey.
this one? The fourth picture.
Other.
Is it a dog? Is it a dog?
Parrot.
No. What animal is this? It's the
Is the cat.
cat. Very good. Or we call it as leopard. So very good. So leopard is a big cat. So next one. Okay, let's take a look at this.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Very good. It's the
Butterfly.
butterfly. So next. It's what animal is it?
Parrot.
It's
Parrot.
the
Parrot. The parrot.
perfect. It's
The
the
parrot.
parrot. Next one. What animal is this?
It's a frog.
It's the frog. Perfect job. It's the frog. Next, our last animal.
Blue. Blue.
Last animal is it's the
Ladybug.
is it the ladybug? Is
Yeah.
it the ladybug? Yes or no? No. It's not a ladybug. It's a beetle. We call it as beetle. Very good. A ladybug. Teacher is?
Teacher is black or blue
Yeah.
or orange.
Yes, very good. But the ladybug, it's color red and black.
This eye is black.
Yes. Okay, now let's answer some activities here. What
I go.
animal
No.
is
I go.
what animal is this?
Frog.
Frog. Very good. Now let's read the sentence. The frog. Okay, let's read.
Frog.
The frog is sitting
It's sitting.
on the rock.
Sitting.
On the
Sitting.
sitting on the on the
On the
rock.
frog. Ah.
Yes.
In the frog.
Yes, very good. Next one. What is this? It's a bee.
Picture.
Yes, very good. Good job. Is it a ladybug? No, no,
No.
no. Okay, let's read our last sentence. I see a beetle
Picture.
on the leaf.
A picture. In the leaf.
Okay, very good. So now, Moon, so we will end our lesson here. So let's practice more of this sentence in our next class. So thank you very much for your participation in today's class, Moon. So see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Teacher has the next class